In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Airtable in Notion. If you're a fan of both tools, you'll know how powerful they can be when used together. Let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to the Airtable website by opening your browser and going to airtable.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. You can find the sign in button on the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking it will take you to the sign in page where you can log in using your credentials. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that. Now that you're at the Airtable home, navigate to the specific workspace that contains the base you want to embed. This is usually visible on the left side of your screen under the Bases section. Click on the base that you want to integrate into Notion. Once you're inside the base, you'll need to access the form you wish to share. You'll find this under the Forms tab within the base, visible usually at the top right corner. Next, click on the particular form you're interested in. With the form selected, look for the Share Form button, which is typically located at the top of the form interface. Clicking this will open up a few sharing options for you. Among these options, locate and click on Share Settings. It might be positioned within the toolbar that appears when you open your form. Once you're in the Share Settings, look towards the bottom of the menu for the Embed option and select it. This will allow you to embed the form into another platform like Notion. Here you'll be able to get the embed code you need. Go ahead and click on Copy Embed Code. Now that you have the code copied, it's time to head over to your Notion workspace. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add your Airtable form. Once you are on the desired Notion page, simply paste the link you copied from Airtable. Notion is fantastic at handling embedded content, so as soon as you paste the link, it will automatically convert it into an interactive form right there on your page. And that's it, you've successfully embedded an Airtable form into Notion. Remember, the seamless collaboration between these two tools allows you to harness the power of both databases and project management in one centralized location. By using Airtable and Notion together, you can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Thanks for following along, and happy embedding.